If you want your home to feel like autumn without decorating with plastic pumpkins, start with natural textiles. I designed this tea towel using an original watercolor study from my Field Notes collection. The warm taupes, forest greens, and autumn flora instantly shift your kitchen into the season. I'm really picky with where I manufacture my products. I'm so impressed with the quality of the ink and the richness of the color and the sharpness of my illustration. And I'm absolutely thrilled with the results. It will arrive at your doorstep in 10 to 12 business days. And you can save big when you order two. You can keep one for yourself and give one away as the perfect hostess gift for Thanksgiving. It's really well stitched, beautifully put together. This is a heavy weight cotton fabric. You can see the weave, how tight that is. And there's this handy little tab here to hang your tea towel up for easy drying. And they are beautiful enough to display in your kitchen or actually use this as a proper tea towel. I'm so proud of this particular product. I'm really happy with how they turned out. If you're interested, head to my website, click boutique, and shop right from there. Thank you so much for supporting one of a kind pieces from living artists like me.